On your feet, phrases in action. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, on your feet, and explore its meanings and usage. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, this video is for you. On your feet can be taken quite literally. It means standing up. For instance, when someone says, get on your feet, they're asking you to stand up from a sitting or lying position. This phrase also has a figurative sense. To be on your feet can mean to recover from a difficulty or to become independent. It suggests a person is actively working towards a goal or bouncing back from a setback. There are several common expressions that use this phrase. Think on your feet, to think and respond quickly, especially in challenging situations. Back on your feet, to recover, especially from financial or medical problems. On the feet of, following closely after something else. Let's see it in action. After the surgery, it took him a few weeks to get back on his feet. The quick-witted comedian knows how to think on his feet. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, on your feet, and its various uses in English. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using this phrase in your daily conversations. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.